Welcome to this Smartsheet tutorial. Today we are going to be looking at how you can export to Microsoft Excel. Now you can do this in Smartsheet in a couple of ways. The first way is from the home interface itself. So what you would need to do is you would need to open up the workspace or folder where the sheet is being kept, or it could be a report as well. What you would do is you would then look for this little icon to select the sheet that you want to export. Then you would click the Actions button at the top, and then you would click Export to Microsoft Excel. And what that will do if you're working in Chrome is that will bring the downloaded document at the bottom. And as you can see, I've already exported a couple of times. The second way is you can also right click on your mouse on the sheet or report or resource that you want to export to Excel. So right click, and again you can click the Export to Microsoft Excel. There is also one other way that you could export, and that is within the sheet itself. So what you would do is you would open up the sheet you would like to export. You would then click File, hover over the export, and then click Export to Microsoft Excel. And again, it brings it up in this panel here at the bottom. So then you would simply click that and it would open up your export. Now you could also, if you're not working in Chrome or you do not find this downloaded pop up here, you can also navigate to your local folder. In your download section you should find this export, and this is what it looks like when you have opened up in Excel. Now I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions on the process or comments, let me know, and if you want me to cover anything else or any future topics on Smartsheet, do drop those down below in the comments section. And if you're looking to master Smartsheet, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and you can learn all of the different tips you need to make the most of the platform. Now I hope you have a wonderful day.